What's up, everyone? It's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I want to talk to you about this book, Expert Secrets, and give you my honest review of the book. If you like learning about internet marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, all those good things, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment below the video. I respond to all my comments. So let's talk about Expert Secrets by Russel Brunson. You've probably heard about this book. If you're anything like me, then it didn't really appeal to me at the time that it came out because I didn't have any interest in becoming an expert. But it turns out that I had it totally wrong, and that's not actually what this book is about. I mean, it is about that, but it's a lot more interesting to a lot more marketers and a lot more business people than I would have expected, and I'll explain why in a second. So the book, it says the underground playbook to find your message, build a tribe, and change the world. Now that might not necessarily appeal to everybody in the marketing world, right? Like sometimes we're just trying to figure out ways to make money, or we're just trying to figure out, how to start a business or whatever, and we don't necessarily care in the first place about changing the world or building a tribe. Like that didn't really appeal to me very much. It was like maybe someday if that happens I'd be perhaps okay with it, but it wasn't really my goal. But here's the crazy part. If you want to make money online, if you want to make money period, you need to learn what's in this book. I didn't really get that when I first looked at it. In fact, it sat on the bookshelf in my apartment for a good year, almost 2 years actually. And I knew about Russell Brunson. I knew about ClickFunnels. I have even been through training from him before. I've used ClickFunnels in my business, but I the title didn't speak to me, Expert Secrets. Even I went here, it just seemed like something I need down the road. But now I think this should be the first book that people should start with if they want to learn how to do marketing, if they want to do sales, if they want to build a business online. You should start with this book. Just ignore the title. And the reason is that it actually talks about how to sell anything to anyone. And, that's what I think, I just didn't get. So, for example, it's broken down into different categories: creating your mass movement, how to become charismatic leaders. So again, that all sounds like something that might not be interesting to you. I don't really want to be a charismatic leader. I don't want to be a leader. And if that's the case, then that's fine. But here's the thing. For example, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're sending to ClickBank products are written by, the successful ones are written by the best copywriters in the world. And you know what all of them do is they do exactly what's in this book. They tell stories. They create a character. I know a lot of multi-million-dollar, hugely successful video sales letters from things like ClickBank products are entirely fictional characters created because it makes a good story. And now I realize I always thought the story thing was it didn't make sense to me. Like, why do you need to tell stories? Can't you just present a good product to people and they will buy it? And in fact, no, I talk about this a lot, but I used to work for the top product on ClickBank, and the massive transition that we made was going from trying to, sell a product which was a great product. It was an amazing product for the niche. We were trying to sell it. And yeah, we got some people to buy, but it kind of fizzled out. And the massive transformation that happened to take us from, just another ClickBank product to literally the top product in the whole world, to have, affiliates were mailing for us and sending cold traffic from all over the world that we never even met. And, just generating millions and millions of clicks every single month, was one thing. And that was, we got a video sales letter built that was effective. And part of that was to tell the story. So the exact same guy who ran the company who created the product. It was the same guy. And here's the crazy part. It was the exact same material inside the product. It was the exact same product we've been trying to sell. And the thing that launched it into, exponential growth within literally the day that we got this right was creating a sales message that followed the script that works, and, creating an attractive character, which he already was a cool guy, and he was, well respected in his community. And the information was already great. Exact same information. Like I said, didn't change a word of the product. And it was about to stall out. The business was about to stall out. And then we did this one thing, and it skyrocketed and, made tons of money, changed the ClickBank ecosystem, changed the industry that it was from. All this crazy stuff happened because we got what's in this book down right. We created an attractive character, told the story, a story that was relatable, and followed a certain sequence that just predictably creates sales. And that sequence is in this book. It's a script that you can follow. And this is like the blueprint to sell anything ever. And how to create products, it's all covered in here. There's examples, there's templates, there's scripts. It's awesome. It's literally, I would give this to anybody who wants to start a business, period. Not even just online. This is just how to sell things to people and how to build a business. How to think, how to connect with people better. And of course, I'm speaking as though not a lot of people want to be leaders and build tribes and all that, but some people really do. And if you want to do that, then you probably already have this book because it already speaks to you. But I want to, talk to the people that maybe don't really think it's for them or don't think it's for them yet, and try to convince you that, in fact, it is. Just like, that business that I used to work for. If you get the right story, the right hook, the right offer, and put it together in the right sequence, it can completely transform everything for you. Your entire life, your business, your revenue, your sales, everything. If you just need one sequence, one funnel, one sales message that works. And I've seen this again and again. I'm still working on it for myself, but I have many friends who have gotten that one sales message right, and it just skyrocketed them to success. It has, again, nothing to do with the product, nothing to do with the business, nothing to do with their skill. Now, obviously, if you try to sell a product or you aren't very skilled and you sell it to a lot of people, it won't work out well for you. But the fact of the matter is, skill is irrelevant. Product is almost irrelevant. Like I said, same product was failing. We got the funnel, the sales message correct. Boom, skyrocket, crazy, transition. So that's all in here, and I highly recommend that you check it out. And in the spirit of what I've learned from this book, by the way, I'm going to keep rereading this. I'm just going to keep rereading it until this is all downloaded into my brain forever. But in the spirit of the book, I would like to make an offer. If you're interested in picking up your free plus shipping book, then there will be a link below this video, or you can go to thenomadbrad.com/expert, and I'll have an offer on there, on that page. And I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in it yet, but because you might be watching this in the future, maybe I've improved it or whatever. But I know at least I'm going to do a special class where I just share, my experiences and versions of teaching the concepts in here. So if you want to get that special class, download, archive, whatever, then just go ahead. And also, I'm going to do a summary of my, if you don't want to read the whole thing every time, I'm going to create a summary of the main points that I think from Expert Secrets. I'm going to include that as well. Just so you can have a cheat sheet. I want to create it for myself, but I want to share it with you as well. And all you have to do is just claim your free copy. So this is a free plus shipping. So you just pay the shipping of the book. So click on the link below this video. It's an affiliate link of mine. And you can email me the receipt, or I'll probably follow up with you if I see that you bought through my link, and then I'll send you those bonuses. And whether you buy from my link or not, I seriously recommend that you get this book and read it many, many times. Every time you read it, I think you're going to level up as a marketer. So check it out. Click the link below. Go to www.thenomadbrad.com/expert and get your copy, get your bonuses from me, and let me know what you think in the comments. If you've already read this, then tell me, what are some of the breakthroughs that you had in your life or your business because of it. If you haven't read it and you have a question, I answer all of my comments, so comment below. And that's it. So that's my review of Expert Secrets by Russel Brunson. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.